carry on down the drain. Look, just cut out the big root, feeds on the way down, right hand side. Okay, so here's the big root that we cut out. That's the root we cut out there. Okay, so here we are in the council lane, as you can see. I'm just going to come back up. Obviously, we cut out a bit of a tree root before. Down.